instrument is autoclave, which is used for sterilization of different objects and media. It uses compressed steam for sterilization, which is hotter than the boiling water. Moist heat is thought to kill the microorganism by degradation of nucleic acid and by denaturation of enzyme and other essential proteins. There are two types of laboratory autoclaves. One is pressure cooker types or the vertical type, and second is the gravity displacement, or you can say the horizontal type. Right? What you are seeing here is a pressure cooker type or vertical type autoclave. These autoclaves are thick-walled stainless steel or aluminum containers designed basically to use the steam under pressure. This autoclave has a lid with clamps which fits on the rubber ring over the main container. As you can see over here, there is a rubber ring just to provide the seal packing. It fits on the ring over the main container. The pressure valve on the lid, it indicates the steam under pressure in the chamber. It indicates the pressure. Generally 15 psi is used. The safety valve or whistle, it regulates the desired steam pressure. It releases the excess steam from time to time. These are available in the different weights to maintain 10 to 15 psi. For routine sterilization, 15 psi is used. As you can see over here, the next component is the temperature controlling devices. Right? Thermostats are already present, and as you can see over here, this is the display unit. As you switch on the main switch, you can see here is the set value, and the above value indicates the present value. As you can see, set value is 121. So for the working, you have to open up the main chamber first. Then you have to remove the main stand. In the main chamber at the base, as you can see, there are heating coils present, and you have to fill the bottom with the water, which should be sufficient enough that it should not be emptied into the running cycle. Then you have to place the stand, and you have to place the article so that it should not touch the water below. You have to place in such a way that they do not touch the water which is present below. Then you have to close the lid. And you have to completely close the lid. Then you have to switch on the main valve, and it will start heating. Then you have to allow the steam to escape for some time by this side safety valve so that the air is removed. So all of the chamber is filled with steam only. After heating, the pressure should reach 15 and temperature should be 121 degrees Celsius, and you have to heat for 20 minutes. After that, you have to stop the heating and you have to allow it to cool, and after that you have to open the lid and you have to remove the sterilized material.